Today we have a Hoover steam vac that we're going to put together out of the box. It looks like a good one, so let's get started. Has the owner's manual. I'm pretty sure it tells us how to put it together, but we'll find out. I've had my struggles over the years. Right on the top here we have a tank for clean water, it looks like. Looks like they gave us some test soap, which is always nice. A handle with the screw hardware. That's always a plus. And looks like the accessories. Hose. This is probably stuff that plugs on this side. Probably not part of the main unit. Here's the bottle. So there's our lower tank. It's already part of the machine. I imagine we just take this handle here and click it on. And there's a screw on each side, which we got earlier. Helps if you have a drill. And one on each side. We don't want to strip them or anything. There we go. We'll kind of wrap the cord up just to get it out of the way. With this, we should be able to clean a lot of stains easily. We had a spot cleaner, but I was telling the wife, just so hard to get out and use all the time. I think the uprights would be easier to use. You could just rinse out the dirty tank, and if you throw in a little bit of chemicals here, you could have something up and running in no time. And then we'll just put the top tank on, and it just clicks into place here. And there it is, it's together. And some place might have charged you to do that. But there it is. A couple screws, it's pretty much just a handle, and we'll do another video on how to actually use this machine. Thanks for watching.